Hi there, ASCE membership. I am your current Southeastern Michigan Branch President, Crystal Kozak. It is with great pleasure that I announce today this year's 2021 award winners. I'd like to start by recognizing our 2021 Life members. A Life member is an individual who has made a lifetime commitment to ASCE and the civil engineering profession. These members have reached the age of 65 years and have remained members for their full length of their professional career. This year's members include Dr. Nabil Grace, Paul Robert Kaiser, John Kenneth Marr, and Jessica Bell. Congratulations to our newest Life members, and we thank you for your continuing commitment to ASCE and the profession. Each member has been sent a Life member certificate and gold-plated lapel pin for their achievement. The Young Civil Engineer of the Year Award is awarded to a member 35 years of age or younger who has exhibited professional achievements, personal accomplishments, and continued commitment to ASCE in the civil engineering profession. We are very proud to announce this year's award recipient, Bryce Burkett. Bryce Burkett is the Senior Geotechnical Project Manager for HDR, where he manages geotechnical engineers on large civil engineering related projects in Southeast Michigan and across the U.S. Mr. Burkett graduated from Louisiana State University in 2009 with a bachelor's degree in civil engineering. Bryce joined Fergro USA Land Incorporated as a geotech engineer in 2009, where he served as the lead field engineer on several projects across the Texas Gulf Coast region, where duties range from project management, field drilling technician, and pile load testing engineer. In 2011, he was awarded the William Crane Fellowship at the University of Texas at Austin, where he received a master's degree in geotechnical engineering while conducting research. Mr. Burkett relocated to Southeast Michigan in 2018 and joined HDR. Bryce is a licensed engineer in Michigan, Texas, Louisiana, and Kansas. With over 12 years of civil engineering experience, Bryce has been involved with geotechnical engineering related design for a wide range of projects, including dams, pump stations, intake structures, levees, ship and barge docks, bulkheads, petrochemical and industrial facilities, storage tank farms, and geologic faulting studies. Bryce serves on the board of the ASCE Southeastern Michigan branch as the Professional Activities Director in promoting presentations and workshops of key personnel and projects that have helped develop the Southeast Michigan area. On a personal note, Bryce is married to his wonderful wife, Jody, and has a beautiful 6-year-old daughter, Caroline. Congratulations, Bryce. Thank you for your dedication to our organization, and we look forward to continuing to work with you at a board level for many years to come. You are a great asset to our team. The next award I'd like to present is the Franklin D. Meyers Outstanding Civil Engineer of the Year Award. This award was renamed in 2003 in honor of one of our most dedicated lifelong members who served as editor of the Michigan Civil Engineer for more than 32 years and received honors of Engineer of the Year from both the Southeastern branch and the Michigan section. The recipient of this award has exhibited continued commitment to ASCE and the civil engineering profession. We are very excited and proud to announce this year's recipient, Zachary Carr. Zach began his career as a geotechnical consultant in Detroit in 1999 and the surrounding areas, working as a staff engineer on a variety of projects that ranged from the Downriver Regional Storage and Transportation System Tunnel Project to traditional geotechnical investigations for clients, including the Detroit Water and Sewerage Department, the Big Three, and the adjacent counties. This work led to opportunities on large-scale projects throughout his career, including work on the 2004 Interceptor Sinkhole Emergency Repair, 2016 Fraser Sinkhole Repair, the Oakland Macomb Interceptor Drain Rehabilitation Design and Repair projects, Little Caesars Arena, Gordie Howe International Bridge, and several projects along the Detroit's revitalized riverfront. Throughout his career, Mr. Carr has remained dedicated and involved in the American Society of Civil Engineers, dating back to his involvement in the Wayne State University student chapter, served as a board member, serving on the geotechnical chair of the Southeastern Michigan branch, and later serving on the ASCE Southeastern Michigan board, which recently ended in 2020. Zach has experience in geotechnical investigations, design and construction engineering oversight for numerous large underground projects, including tunnels, shafts, and major rehabilitation. He is currently a vice president with FK Engineering Associates in Madison Heights, Michigan. Outside of work, Zach is married with 2 beautiful daughters. Congratulations to Zach, and we thank you for all your hard work and continued dedication to ASCE and to civil engineering. The next award is the James F. Bliskey Quality of Life Project of the Year Award. And this award is to recognize a project for the improvement of the quality of life that has demonstrated through the design, coordination, and execution of the construction the highest level of engineering skill. The recipient of this year's award is the Halsted Road Reconstruction at Minnow Pond Drain Project. This project is being awarded by the ASCE Southeastern Michigan branch to the city of Farmington Hills, Fishbeck, and Davis Construction Incorporated. A little bit of project background. For many years, the city of Farmington Hills has to close Halsted Road at the Minnow Pond Drain Crossing, a legally established Oakland County drain after most storm events and during a rapid snowmelt periods. The frequency of road closures reached a point that the city's Department of Public Works installed permanent road closed gates that first responders could close due to public safety concerns. You can see from this slide, as well as the next slide, that the floodwaters were severe and definitely resulted in a road closure. In 2016, the city of Farmington Hills requested that the Oakland County Water Resources Commissioner prepare a concept report that would mitigate the continuous overtopping experienced at this location since the 1940s. The Oakland County WRC engaged the services of Fishbeck to prepare a hydrologic and hydraulic evaluation of the Minnow Pond drain in this area and provide recommendations to mitigate the frequent road flooding. At Fishbeck's recommendation, the city of Farmington Hills elevated Halsted Road, constructed a box culvert to prevent road overtopping under a 10-year, 24-hour event, and realigned approximately 260 feet of the Minnow Pond drain immediately downstream of the existing culverts to improve sediment transport and road embankment protection along the east side of the existing roadway. The stream was successfully reestablished after just 2 seasons and continues to remain in good condition. As you can see from this slide, the flooding issue has been repaired and the road looks fantastic. The most important aspect of this project is the quality of life it brought to the community. Prior to this project, the Farmington Hills EMS dispatch would need to be advised by DPW staff or police officers if this stretch of Halsted Road was open or closed due to flooding. Since completed, overall EMS response time has improved due to long-term reliability and knowing the road is passable. Congratulations to the Halsted Road Reconstruction at Minnow Pond Drain project team on your award. The last award I'm presenting today is the Outstanding Civil Engineering Project of the Year Award. And this award is to recognize a project that has demonstrated through the design, coordination, and execution of the construction the highest level of engineering skill, and that represents the greatest contribution to civil engineering progress. The recipient of this year's award is the Oakland County Biosolids Project at the Clinton River Water Resource Recovery Facility. This project is being awarded by the ASCE Southeastern Michigan branch to the Oakland County Water Resource Commissioner's Office, CDM Smith Michigan Incorporated, and Tools Contracting Group LLC. The Pontiac Wastewater Treatment Plant was acquired by the City of Pontiac Wastewater Treatment Facility Drainage District in 2012 and is managed and operated by the Oakland County Water Resources Commissioner. The plant consists of 2 geographically separate treatment facilities, the East Boulevard Wastewater Treatment Plant and the Auburn Wastewater Treatment Plant. The East Boulevard plant has a present average daily flow of 3.4 million gallons per day, and the Auburn plant has a present average daily flow of 6 million gallons per day. The 2 plants are interconnected, operated, and regulated like a single combined wastewater treatment plant. In order to accept and treat the additional flow from the Perry Street pump station at the Pontiac Wastewater Treatment Plant, several improvements to the plant were necessary, including the Pontiac Wastewater Treatment Plant Biosolids Handling and Septic Receiving Facility project. The Pontiac Wastewater Treatment Plant Biosolids Handling and Septic Receiving Facility project includes a new thermal hydrolysis pretreatment or THP system, sludge dewatering system improvements, expansion and improvement of the existing dewatered biosolids storage facility, and a new septic receiving facility. The THP system is an innovative process that involves conditioning of the sludge under the high heat prior to anaerobic digestion. This process results in a more easily digested sludge and Class A biosolids. The total project cost was approximately $41 million, financed through the State Revolving Fund Loan Program. The Oakland County Water Resources Commissioner's Office has put together a short video that I'd like to share with you that will go through the features and functions of the biosolids facility.
Welcome to our new biosolids handling process at the Clinton River Water Resource Recovery Facility in Oakland County. We're proud to be one of only 3 such facilities in the entire country, and the first in Michigan to use a thermal hydrolysis process, or THP, to turn refuse into reuse. Our footprint here consists of 4 purpose-built unique structures. A septage receiving facility. This facility will process up to 54,000 gallons of septage each day that's been hauled to the plant from a variety of customers. A secondary digester gas membrane storage dome. This giant duosphere dome can hold up to 81,000 cubic feet of biogas, captured as a byproduct of the thermal hydrolysis process. Paired with the existing anaerobic digestion, which cuts our dependence on natural gas and improves our efficiency. A covered biosolids storage pad. This storage facility protects and houses the final Class A exceptional quality biosolid cake as it awaits its destination. And a new 2-story, 15,800 square foot biosolids handling building that houses an impressive array of miles of pipes, processes, and precision-tuned instruments, can process over 150,000 gallons of concentrated sludge each day and reduce disposal costs by 50%. So, from intake to screening to the THP process and storage, we're changing the way we look at biosolid disposal and making the world around us cleaner and improving the quality of all life. At the onset of the process is the sludge blending and screening system. As the sludge makes its way onto our biosolids process, it's mixed, blended, and pumped through a pressurized screening process where any debris is caught, separated, and disposed of. Believe it or not, the sludge coming in is about 97% liquid, so it needs to be dried and separated. That's where our centrifuge comes in. In the first phase of the sludge dewatering process, centrifuges turn sludge into a usable paste-like substance that consists of 16% solids. By spinning at ultra-high speeds, the liquids are separated from the solids, so it's ready for the THP process. The reactors in the thermal hydrolysis pre-treatment process are essentially gigantic pressure cookers. High pressure, time, and heat breaks down the biosludge and makes it more palatable for the bacteria we've been starving until this moment. They're going to help us process 37,000 gallons of dewatered sludge each day, containing 25 dry tons of solids. So, as the sludge cooks under pressure, it's being turned into Class A biosolid. Without these machines and the THP process, none of this would be possible. But it takes a lot of steam to turn sludge into something usable. Behind the scenes are the boilers. These high-pressure steam boilers are a trifecta of efficiency, power, and dependability, producing 8,300 pounds of steam every hour, reaching 160 pounds per square inch, and topping out at 240 degrees Fahrenheit is no easy task. But these boilers have one more trick up their sleeves. Remember that duosphere that holds all the biogas? Well, these boilers can run from that biogas. Using the energy from the THP process means a reduction in outside power sources and a reduction in the facility's carbon footprint. This biosolids handling facility runs like a well-oiled machine, and from their stations in the biosolids handling facility electrical room, our facility staff can monitor, diagnose, and triage any issue that may come up 24/7. With over 30 electrical panels and 2 power sources, the electrical room is a central point of control as the sludge makes its way from intake to output. As we near the end of our tour, the dewatered, heated, pressured, and now Class A biosolid needs one more round of drying to get it ready for storage. It's back to the centrifuge area, where the post-dewatering centrifuges are used to dry the biosolids into a loamy dirt-like substance. The final stop for Class A biosolids is to travel along a series of conveyor belts where it lands in one of our 4 temporary holding bays in the covered biosolid storage pad until it's moved to the main 20,000 square foot storage area capable of holding 7,000 cubic yards of biosolids This covered biosolid storage pad keeps the dewatered Class A exceptional quality biosolids dry and protected until it is loaded and taken away for its final application as a soil amendment or fertilizer. We're proud to be one of the first 3 such facilities in the entire country and first in Michigan. And even more proud of the fact that the new biosolids handling building at the Clinton River Water Resource Recovery Facility in Oakland County is turning refuse into reuse. Now that's purely resourceful.
Congratulations to the Oakland County Biosolids Project at the Clinton River Water Resource Facility project team on your award. Before we finish up, I'd like to also announce that we are proud to say that 3 of our award winners also went on to win ASCE Michigan Section Awards: Bryce Burkett, Zachary Carr, and the Oakland County Biosolids Project at the Clinton River Water Resource Recovery Facility. Congratulations to you all. Each year, the ASCE Southeastern Michigan branch, together with our younger members group, reviews application nominations for 2 scholarships. We are proud to announce this year's winners, Samah Beyameen and Hojnacki. Samah is currently a civil engineering student at Lawrence Technological University, graduating in 2023. She worked as a science teacher for 13 years, but always dreamed of becoming an engineer. With a GPA of 3.82, Samah has been listed on the Dean's Honor List multiple times. Samah currently works as a permanent relocation inspector at MDOT at the Detroit TSC. Molly is a civil engineering student at Michigan State University, graduating in 2022. She is a civil engineering major with a concentration in water resources and a minor in environmental science. Molly was a learning assistant for a civil engineering material course this past year and is focusing on completing a research project this summer on the factors impacting households' decisions to invest in energy efficiency. After earning her degree, Molly plans to travel to less developed areas of the world and help communities establish sustainable water systems. Congratulations to both of this year's scholarship winners. Thank you for listening in on our very unconventional but pandemic appropriate presentation of this year's awards. In the next few months, please be on the lookout for emails in our newsletter with more information regarding upcoming events and programs, including our fall kickoff meeting where we will induct our new officers. Thank you, and again, congratulations to all our winners.